Yeah, we are like, okay.
Okay, may I start, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
So, good evening to one and all present here. Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. I am Pragya Srivastav, the event lead of GDSE UCR, and I will be your host for today's evening. On behalf of GDSE UCR, I welcome you all in this session of Compose Camp 2022. So, Compose Camp is basically a community organized event that focuses around how to build apps using Jetpack Compose, and you will get hands on coding experience with Compose. From starting from the basic concepts of Jetpack Compose to building Android apps using Jetpack Compose, and you will get hands on experience with Compose. So, this event is designed to provide everyone with a clear understanding of how to build Android apps using Jetpack Compose.
I guess Pragya, you have some network issue, right? All right, guys. So I guess Pragya has some network issue. So we can, Pragya, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah, but your voice was stuck for some time.
I'm so sorry, sir.
I guess you can close the camera, then you can go ahead again.
Okay, okay, sir, okay.
Yeah.
No issues.
All right.
So I'm so sorry for the
Thank you.
inconvenience created. I welcome you all again for this session. So I'm Pragya Srivastav, the event lead of GDSE UCR, and I will be your host for today's evening. On behalf of GDSE UCR, I welcome you all on today's session and for today's evening. Compose Camp is a community organized event that focuses around how to build Android apps using Jetpack Compose, and you will get hands on coding experience with Compose. So, at GDS UCR, you will get hands on experience on how you can build your first Android app with our mentors for today's session, that is Aman Kesarwani sir. As we all know, that Aman Kesarwani sir is the GDSA UCR lead, and for this, we are handing over to Aman Kesarwani sir for this session. Over to you, Aman sir.
Thank you so much, Pragya, for warm welcome, and I welcome all of you, and very good evening to everyone who are watching this live. And today we are going to see how you can start your journey with the Android apps, and you can build your own Android apps. And so let's get started with the Android apps and what exactly we are going to do with this Compose camp. And you can see like today is the 10th September that we are started, and this is a 1 month program which is powered by the Google team, GDSC users especially, that we are helping you guys to help learn and let's build your first Android app using Compose camp. In this we are learning mostly, let's start with this first. So there will be some various pathways and various unit that we will be following near about 1 month, that is free of cost, that you will be learning through our mentors and also from me and other mentors that you got from various experts around the uh, various communities. Okay, we'll try to cover all of them. Also, what is Compose Camp? That's the biggest question asked by most of the students I got queries. So Compose Camp is basic a hand-on introduction to learning how you can build your own Android apps using Jetpack Compose. So it's a basic tool by which you can build a UI, like a user interface of Android apps. So anyone, if you want to kind of define what is UI in your field, you can mention in the chat section what exactly you mean by UI. All right. So this is the meaning that you have a camp, and we have understood with the help of camp, because you will be having 1 month learning. It's like a camp of 1 month in which you will be learning some various great things in the Android field. Okay, so some prerequisites will be required to go ahead with this program. First, you need a basic computer literacy. I guess most of you have now, and also some basic math skill as you are doing engineering. So you have at least basic math and computer and headphone that's required. If you don't have, please arrange that. And internet connection should be also required sometime. And it's an optional Android device and USB cable that will be required in building Android apps for checking it, like your Android app is building running or not. Okay. So also we have Compose Camp learning objective. What would be objective that we are covering in this 1 month total learning? So first thing that we'll be seeing your first app, your own app. Maybe it will be a small calculator, a small birthday app, a small wishing app. That will be a small app that you can build for yourself. That will be your first Android app. After that, you will be setting up your Android Studio on your computer. How you can build and how can make, like, this is a tool where you can build your Android apps. Like, how many of you know Visual Studio? Anyone you use as Visual Studio? Yeah, I can see Arya said like user interface different between user and application. Yeah, that's true. Like, Arya, that's really appreciable as well. So you are right. If you know what the meaning of Android is today, it's basically a platform, or you can say it's the idea of building Android. With the help of this tool, you can build your Android apps. Okay. Third, we will learning how to means what are the programming language that is required to build Android apps. So this is programming that is required. That is Kotlin programming language that is required to build your Android apps. Okay, so you will be required to learn Kotlin first, then you can build your own Android apps. Also, we will learning Jetpack Compose, which is mainly like a UI building for Android apps. So it's a tool which is provided by Google team. I will show you Android website also, like where everything is there to learn about yourself, the documentation, what is Jetpack. You can learn about it more from that website as well. Also, you can discover resources to continue learning that we'll be sharing also, like through emails you will get some things. So through various social media platform we'll try to share with you, so keep in touch in those area as well, what exactly we are going to do in this Compose learning. Apart from that, we'll try to invite some googlers as well, who are actually building the language behind that, who are building the Kotlin language, who are building the whole architecture for Android. So we'll be some inviting those people as well from the Google team. If they will be free, they will join soon in the October or November month. Till then, you will we have to wait for that. But yeah, we'll surely will begin with the hands-on, and we'll build various apps like to-do list and music app. Various app will building in the coming series of Compose Camp. All right, I can see like any questions. Yeah, VS, it's a platform for compilation. That's really cool that you know, Arya. That's really great. Okay. So, why are you here? What are your goals, and how do you plan to achieve them? These three questions that you should ask about Compose Camp. Okay. Why are you here? What are your goals? How do you plan to achieve them? That's an important question for yourself as well regarding this program that we have. And who would like to share? Means where you want to share about your Android apps. Like if you when you build your first Android app, that will be really a plus point for you. Then you get an access to Android Studio, and where you can think like, yeah, these things app I can build from my end as well. Like you're using various Android apps, I guess. Gmail is used by various people, and this is required for running Android devices. So Gmail is the one of the most precious Android apps that we use day to day life. And you can see we are going to start with the Android basic with the Compose Can. In Unit 1, we are going to understand your first Android app, where you will be building Android using Kotlin, setting up Android Studio, and basic layout. These three things we are learning under Unit 1. Total, there are 4 units that we are covering here. So first unit, you will see introduction to Kotlin, then setting up Android Studio, building a basic layout of Android Studio, of Android app. So let's see one by one. So first pathway that we have, that's have introduction to programming language in Kotlin. That I will tell you, and from where you can start your journey. I will also let you know about that thing as well. Also, in each pathway, you will get a badge, and after completing badge, you will have to complete first quiz. If you pass in this quiz, then only you will get a badge on the Google developer site. For that, I will tell you later through your emails. You will get those links how you can complete these quiz, and you can achieve your badge as well through Google. You can see these badges you can earn in your Google developer profile. I will share you more about it in detail, how you can earn these badges. Okay. All right, we are moving ahead. So what exactly you can see, like this type of profile you will get in Google developer profile link. Here you will see your some badges, and you can make it as favorite as well. That will be shown in the top. So and here it will be your name, your photo, and you can see mine as well. I will show you mine. Let me show you mine. This is my Google developer profile. I'm sharing in the chat as well. Okay, yeah, this you can see as well. That you can see I've shared. This is the profile look like favorite badges, and here you can see GDSC LATAM and attended IO 21 Android Studio user. So completed 75 labs. Like this, you will get lots of badges if you complete various things in that. Okay, let me share with you. The use of it is a motivation, like you excite yourself to learn more and more. Okay, the reason behind that is only that's this is the badge, and you can learn more about it in detail. All right. So here you will get your Google developer profile. And the session that overview that we are giving here, Kotlin language programming. So let's begin with this and we'll understand how it's exactly working. All right. So here we'll be seeing Kotlin language. It's the programming language is used for building Android apps. Okay. Kotlin helps developers to be more productive as well. Earlier we are using Java, but it was replaced later, I guess 5 year ago, it was replaced by Google, and it's a Google language that Google has built. And here's the Kotlin playground as well. You will get in the platform that I will share with link you in the mail. You will get mail from us, in which you can see like how exactly Kotlin is helping a lot of people. All right. And here you can see program as well, a series of instruction for a computer. What is program? Like you can see a series of instruction for a computer to perform some actions. That is called a program. Okay. So here we have written a small program, fun main function, curly braces open, print l. Print ln is used for writing something in the output. You can see I have written hello world in the double quotes, then it's printing hello world. So this is a small program with the help of Kotlin. If we write this, that will be output, we give this. Okay, so this is a small program that we have written in the Kotlin. Now, I will tell you exactly one by one step what exactly this means. So, fun is a keyword for making a function. Okay, main is a function name, and we have opened this, and also in the curly braces we can write whatever we want inside the function. Number of line we can write inside the function. You can see print ln hello world. All right. In hello world, you can see like we have used double quotes. If double quotes we can't write, then it will show an error. Okay, I will show you with the help of Kotlin playground as well. You can see main function is here starting from here and ending here. Okay, is the entry point. Main function entry point start from here and ending from here. So you can see a function is a segment of program that perform a specific task. Like let's suppose you have a function for main, you have a function for printing something. If you have a function for moving back, like that, we can make function as per the demand of the user and as per the demand of the program. Okay, you can have many function in a program or only a single function. It depend upon dependency of the requirement. All right. So defining a function already tell you like fun is a use keyword by which we can define something, and display introduction is my function name. You can write your name as well, like fun Aman. So what it will be? It will be a basic a name that I can put anything. So it's up to you like what name you want to give you to your function. Okay. And but this is a fixed. This should be remain same. This you can change as per your requirement. Okay. Defining a function, I already said like this is a function name that you can make anything as per your requirement. And here this is called a parenthesis. Okay, here function need a set of parentheses after the function name in order to surround the function inputs. Okay, so this is called a parenthesis, in which we are storing something like a parameter and arguments as well. Here you can see we are writing curly braces. This is called a function body. Okay, this is called a function body in which we are storing everything. It's called a function body. From here to here, it's called function body, and contain the instruction need to be execute a task. Whatever you will write here, that will display in your output. So let's suppose we are going to print this. Hi, I am Meghna. I'm Megan, and I am 20-year old. So how you will print this thing? So let's understand and let's go ahead and with Kotlin, how we'll put all things together and print this thing as output. So for that we will display, we will write a function that is function name. with display introduction. Okay, now we'll write some code here. Let's go ahead. First, we for filling this, we need to understand how we will write that. So first, we need to understand what is variables. So variable is something which is like a address storage. Okay, like you have your own address. Okay, like every computer have IP. Like that variable have their name where they can store address or value. Okay, the container for a single piece of data where every value is being stored in the name of variable. Let's suppose you have int a equal to 10. So what a is doing, a is a variable type of int, and the value is 10 is being stored in that. You can see here my name is name and I am this year old. So where we are storing the data, we are storing the value here. Like let's suppose my name is Aman and I am 23-year old, so I will write here, right? So name is being used as my name. This is called a variable. Okay, and age is being used by the age variable. Inside that, I have put my age number. Inside name, I have put my real name. This is called a variable. Okay. You can see as my name is this and I am this year old. So what will be printing? My name is Meghna and I am this year old. So when I replace name to Meghna and age to 28, my output will be there. So it's simple to like this is something that we need variable. All things that will be we can print it. Okay, so let's understand how you can do it here as well. Let's suppose Janet 49. So what did you do? My name is Janet and I'm 49-year old. So here what we can do, we are not fixing it. You can also write my name is Meghna and I am this year old by writing the Meghna here and 28 here. But what we do here, we are customizing thing, and for very useful thing, that's why we have made function so that we can use for various times. So here we have Janet and 49 as well. All right. Now we can understand some more data type that we have in the Kotlin itself. So the most used is string. What kind of data that can text, like Aman is a text, and anything that we hello world, that's also a text. You can see an example, add contact and search. This is an example of a string. Okay, like this string look like. int int is something we whole integer number, like 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the integers. Minus number also belong to integers. All right, then we have a double. This type of data type, decimal number, like we have 2.0, something that you have in 0 or more than some decimal number, then you can use double. Then it's similar to float, that we have a decimal number which is less than a double. If that is less than double, then you can use float. We have a boolean as well, where we are using true or false, or use the data type when there are only two possible values. So this is dependent upon the boolean value, true or false. They have only two values, true or false. This is the basic data type that Kotlin uses. Okay, apart from that we have more, but for you, for a beginner, this is very required. Now, defining a variable. Now we have understood what is a variable. Now we'll understand how you can define a variable in Kotlin. So for defining a variable in Kotlin, we need to use this keyword VAL. That's called val. Okay, val, or this is a keyword, and also you can use var. So both you can use either val or a var. So let's suppose you can how you can create now. So this is a defining a variable look like. So this is our function name, right? Display introduction. Now what we have done, we have created a variable like name with the help of val, and string is a type, data type that we have studied now. You can see here. We have just studied about a string. Okay. This is a string type that we have studied. It contains only double quotes. So for storing name, we need a string only. Okay, so that's why we have understood the string, and this is a syntax that you should follow for defining any data type, either int, either string. So again we need age as well. Age is an integer type because it's a 28 number, 20 number, so we need int. So int is a data type that we understood it. So we have defined two variables inside our display introduction function. Okay, now let's understand. Yeah. Now let's understand how defining a variable means. Like now we have understood val and var are used for creating a variable, and this is a variable names, name and age. These two are the variable names that we have, and apart from that, these are the data types already defined: string and int. And this is the value that we are storing in the variable name. So Meghna is stored in the name, 20 it is stored in the age. All right. Now we are putting it together now. What we are doing, we have to print, hi, I am Meghna and I am this year old. So for writing that, we need a println function for printing something in the output screen. So here we have done, hi, I am dollar name. This is the syntax by which you can use variable name as your output. So you have to use dollar sign, okay, before variable name, then you can print anything in the output stream. And I am this year age old, this you can use as a, again as a dollar, as a variable. So whatever will be there, it will be printing as you Meghna and 28. So the output will be, anyone can guess what will the output? Yeah, it's little bit weird, but it's a new language that we have in Kotlin. Okay, all right, we are moving ahead. You can keep discussing. So hi, I am here the answer will be, hi, I am Meghna and I am 28-year-olds. All right, now you can see the output here again, you can see. But make sure, for running the program we need a function, main function. So here we have main function and here we have called display introduction. All right, when you call the function name, then only it will be running, otherwise it will not running. So that's why we have used function name, and inside that I have called display introduction. Then it will call this function, and this function will printing, I am Meghna and I am 28-year-old. So when you write this whole program in a Kotlin.kt file, so the extension of Kotlin is .kt. Like for Python we have .py, for C we have .c, for CPP that we have .cpp. For Kotlin we have .kt. Okay, so make sure to use the .kt extension. All right. So here you can see we have printed successfully how I am Meghna, Meghan, and I am 28 old. All right. Now let's get started to understand more about it, Compose Camp. So first you can visit for here to understand more about it. Let me share with you in the chat section as well, or I will first show you what exactly it is. Let me show you. Yeah. So you can see this is a course for all the Android basics with Compose. This course you can learn about it more, from where you will building your first Android app, building your app UI, display list and use material. It's like a course which is provided by Google team, which is free of cost, and you will also earn badges on completing successfully. So I will share this link with you as well. So you can check your chat section. I will share with you on email as well. Don't worry about that. I will share with you on email as well. All right. So I have shared with you in the chat. You can try to explore this, and we will having soon various more workshop on the this, because your most of you are beginner. So we'll try to understand it how exactly that will be helping you a lot. Okay, and yeah, don't forget to join our various social media platform. First of all, Google our Discord channel, so that you can get updates and discussion, a good discussion in the community that's required to get motivated and learn new things. All right. So this is first thing that you need to do. Second, I will show you one more thing today as well, how to install Android Studio as well. So let's understand that thing as well. I will show you in just few minutes. So next thing we have Android Basic that I've shared the link with you. You can go and your first Android app, you can build it out. Okay, and unit one, pathway one, that you can follow. I will already share with you introduction to Kotlin. That will be really great if you follow that. Okay, and if you have a question, just ask on work on unit one and path one. And if you face an issue, just DM or Discord. Use Discord channel to discuss your issues on the discussion. Okay, I will be there and our team will be there to help you out if you face any issue during it. So now we will seeing unit one and unit two as well. All right. So what you can do, you can use Compose Camp if you share anything. Like if you're learning this thing, you can use Compose Camp and tag GDSC UCR on the social media, and Google team will maybe will back to you and refer to you. Okay. And also let's understand second thing as well that we have, how to install Android Studio. Just a thought. I guess this is, yes. Now we are beginning with this as well. Yes. So this is a pathway 2. Unit 1, pathway 1 we have discovered till now. Now I will discuss you pathway 2. How exactly it will be helping you a lot. So here, welcome back. And if you have any question, you can DM us on the chat section. Team is working and team will give you answer. If you're not, you can do what, you can join our Discord channel and I will help you there as well. And our team will be helping you there as well. Now, the course that I've shared with you, you can learn it out a lot. Android Basic with Compose course that you will be learning a lot if you understood this thing. Okay. Second, unit 1 that we have understood your first Android app that we have. Using this, you will build it. Apart from that, I will showing you today here Android Studio. So anyone of you like already understood what is Android Studio? Want to define what I told till now? Okay, so basically Android Studio is something which is used for building Android apps. No, that will be not learning running in the browser. You can't run Android Studio on the browser. You have to install in the system. Okay, so you can see here Android Studio. You need to do after installing. After installing Android Studio, you will see this type of a screen where you can see man activity.kt. This is something that you will get a UI. This is called a UI that you are seeing in the screen. So here you can see the project view inside this icon. Let me use highlighter. So here you will see the project overview in this section, okay, of Android Studio. And here you will see this code view, what exactly the code you are writing. The code is in Kotlin now because you can see .kt file is written here. The code is in kt, that is, you can, although you can write in Java as well. If you know Java well, you can write in that. Now here you can see the design, you will get here as well. So click on design, you will get the design, how exactly it's working. All right, so you can see hello Android is working. This is the output that we are getting, design view. Okay, after clicking on design view, then you can split the code as well. In one view you can see the code, you can see one view in the design, like this. So here you are writing the code and here you can see the output of that code as well. Okay, so that means you don't need Android phone, but you need a laptop to understand the coding of it. Now you can see greeting function that we have built with the help of Compose. I've told you now we have used to fun keyword, then we can use the function name, then we can pass some string as well in our uh, function parameter, and we can also use dollar name, that is a variable name that we have. That's why it's printing hello Android. All right. So here you can see what exactly greeting function do. So for composable function, we use @composable. One greeting, name is string, text is equal to hello name. So we are printing hello Android because we are passed string as a Android name. All right. Here you can see howdy dollar name. It will be printing same thing as well, but it will be printing howdy as well. You can see howdy Android. We have changed the text now. So for writing something like composable is something you use for AI, UI, UX. Okay, whatever you are seeing in the screen. Default preview is something like this, and it will be not very like a tough job to do these things. So something will be default given to you by the Android Studio itself when you choose Android. And also you can see greeting function that we are using here @composable. That means here compose Jetpack is being used, and where we are trying to use the UI, and you will see the output of UI directly. Okay, it does not need any external device to run it. And here you can see background also we are showing. That's why we have written true. All right. So for if you don't have Android phone but you have laptop, so what you can do? What is an emulator? Emulator is something which will be working as a virtual Android phone for you. What exactly Android phone will do? Virtual Android phone. it will tell you the output of your device. It's running correctly or not. Okay. I will tell you in later section as well how it's working and how emulator works. I will show you in other videos. How you can create your emulator, that's also important thing. So you can create your emulator by, you can check here, Pixel 5 you can choose, like any of one of you, like you can choose the Android phones. It's a Google phone that you can know, Pixel 5, Pixel 4a, these are the Google phones. You can choose any one of them and just click on next. And after that you can choose any system image. I will prefer go for R, or anyone that is applicable for you, no, that moment. You can click on next again. After that you can see this will be output as an Android phone. This you will get in the Android Studio only, where you can see Howdy Megan will be written. This is called a emulator, virtual Android phone in your laptop. All right. Now, running your app on physical device. If you want to do this thing, so you have to allow USB debugging. You will have to download, or if you have Android 11 or 11 greater, like 11 Android 12, then you can get these things. All right. Let's get started in this as well. Again, I will share same thing. C.co, that is Android Basic Compose. I've already shared with you. I'm sharing again one more time. This is the very important course for you. If you understand this, that you will get it right. All right. And next we can understand about it, I guess. Yes. Pathway 2 that you can follow, set up your Invoice Studio. uh, and one more thing, like for this you should have at least, yeah, I will share the code with you over the link like that I've shared with you. You can find the code, all the codes in this link only that I've shared now. Okay, in this link you can find the code. Everything that you can do from this, that will be very useful for you. It's the Google provided only. You will get from there only. And after installing that Advice Studio, your system may be slow. So be careful and make sure you are ready with it. Okay. Don't blame us like your system is not working. It takes some time to take your system friendly environment for the Android Studio. It's a big software. Okay. So maybe sometime you are facing issue to run other application parallel to it. So this is very important for you to understand how exactly it will be working for you. All right. So for now, I guess this is pathway 2 that you have to solve for now. And again, I will tell you this is thing that we need. Okay, work on unit 1 part 2, and any difficulty you can get back to us in the Discord channel of ours, and we'll surely help you out there in any way. All right. And any question till now, like if you face, yes, any question, guys. You can ask your doubts here so that I can clear you out if you have any. I can see others asking various questions as well as you telling about the introduction, therefore just to make a proper video. Okay. Yes, Anmol says is a basically a editor Android apps. That's true. Yes, right, Vedant. You are also right. All right, guys. I can see like Abhishek's question. We can take it. It's really good. Minimum requirement for Android Studio. So I will prefer Abhishek to download your Android Studio when you have RAM in your laptop more than 4 GB. More than 4 GB is RAM, or 4 GB is also good. Okay, so if you have laptop which is have RAM much more than 4 GB, Amol, like it does not take much time to learn. I've already shared with you the link. We'll try to make more videos on Kotlin from our team. Okay, and Nimisha, will it harm our laptop? It will not harm. You can uninstall if it harm you, but most of it will not harm you because I've already installed in my laptop. I'm using that laptop only now. I can show you. Let me open my, but I will not open. It will take much time for now. Another class will try to open Android Studio. It's take much time. Otherwise, my system will be down. So you can see I have installed Android Studio app. So this is very heavy software. So make sure you should try to understand these things as well. And already I've shared with you Google link as well. You can try to understand from there as well. Everything is written here. So you can just try to open after installing. It's a normal step as well. I will share with you how to install Android apps as well. Android Studio download. Just search this, or I will share with yes, sharing with you. So this is a studio link that we have from the Google. Yes. So this is the link I've shared with you. So just click on download button and you will get the download in your system. All right. The link I'm sharing in the chat section. And yeah, guys, you are a fresher and you have a great time to learn these things. So just explore it. That will be really useful. Believe me. This is a time that you can explore these things. All right. Later you have so many things to explore. So for now, just go ahead with this and try to learn some stuff or doing some things. That will be really great. Any more questions that you can ask, please let me know about Kotlin. What is Kotlin? Anything that you need, let me know if you need any question help there as well. Yes, any question, guys. I'm here to help you out in this. And surely we'll begin and we'll come with some more with live sessions. And we'll try to host some Google Meet session as well for the members who have more dedication to learn about it. Okay. We'll try some Google Meet session as well. Personalized Google Meet for the selected students. If you think you have a greater idea and you have some wide concept to understand it. Yes, Olivia, you can ask your doubt if you have any doubt. Are you asking Olivia? Pragya, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
All right. So Pragya is also learning Android with us. So Pragya, can you share your experience till now? What exactly you face issues or you find difficulties while learning Android development?
Yes, yes, sir, I can share my screen. Wait, sir.
Yeah, sure. Right, Shreyas. We'll try to make a session on Kotlin soon. And this session is mostly to give you a brief about the Compose Camp and how you can build your first Android app. And it's really easy to build your first Android app. Is Kotlin an object-oriented language just like Java? Yes, it's object-oriented language. You can also, like, this is the fact, like, one interesting fact that we have in Kotlin, in Java, you can use Kotlin in build. लाइक दोनों को मिक्सअप करके यूज कर सकते हैं दैट्स रियली अ ग्रेट एंड इनोवेटिव आइडिया दैट गूगल थॉट इट्स रियली ग्रेट you can know more about it from the Google developer website as well. Okay, that will mail you, important website will mail you so that you can have a greater idea to understand about it. All right, Pragya, are you there?
So there's a small network issue from my side.
All right,
I
no
will,
issues.
I'm trying
So
it. I will do it after 5 minutes. Please give me 5 minutes.
okay, okay, Pragya. So for now I will prefer you guys to understand the things and can we use C language? No, Kuldeep, you can't use C language. सर iOS में कितना टाइम लगे ओपन होने के लिए फॉर iOS like you're talking about Mac, you have MacBook or iOS, it's talking about the phone only. And Kuldeep, we don't use C language for building Android app. We can only use what? Kotlin, Kotlin or Java, not C. All right. Olivi, can you tell me, like, are you talking about the Mac? Are you talking about the Mac or iPhone? Preferably, if you have a MacBook, then it will take less time and it really use मतलब इसमें ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है Mac में थोड़ा सही रहता है यूज़ करना but for Windows it really take थोड़ा सा time but for Mac it's really good. From my past usage, I already built near about 10 to 20 apps till now, and still I'm learning and building more apps. But it's not my dedicated field, but say like a part-time learning that you should do. That yeah, you know Android app how it built, you know basic structure. If you don't want to do Android app development in later as a career, it doesn't matter. But for now, you should know what exactly Android is and how you can do. Yeah, Kuldeep, I have shared the link, and again I'm sharing the link. Just try to understand. Just go ahead in the above chat. You can find the links. I'm again sharing the link. Let me share with you. Where is it? Yeah, this is a link. This is the course link where you can learn Kotlin. This is by the Google itself. All right. This is the course that you can try to learn it. Okay. This is all about the compose and that you can get from it here. Already I've shared the link earlier as well. Let me check it out. It's a short link that I've shared earlier. Yeah, this is the short link that I've shared. This is very easy to learn and go ahead in browser itself. g.co/android/basic compose. Okay. Yeah, I was showing you about the Android website. Okay, where everything you can find like whatever Android development is being done. So this is the official website of Android that you can read the documentation, download the studio, launch play console. Means here you can learn Android Kotlin from console as well. From the browser you can learn the Kotlin, but from the browser you can't make big apps. Okay, this is the official link. Here you can go and explore. Here's a Jetpack that we are trying to understand, trying to learn. Here's the Android studio. I'm sharing the link with you in this also. Benefit is simple, like you can build the UI more simple. Okay, so for learning Jetpack Compose, it will be really great for you to understand the things. मतलब पहले बहुत थोड़ा सा टफ होता था UI में बनाना, changes करना, but now it is very easy to build UI using Compose. Okay, all right. Any more doubt regarding Androids, so that we can any suggestion that you want from you, like this session should be coming, like you want session on Kotlin, you want session on building apps, or you want session on some various other things regarding Android as well. Both. Okay, all right. So we'll try to cover both as well as soon as possible, and we are looking for the speaker as well and from other communities as well. And next week, I guess we are trying to come up with those sessions. So be keep in our group touch, and please follow our social media handles so that you can get latest update regarding us, especially WhatsApp group and Discord channel and Instagram as well. So you can get all the updates regarding us when we are trying to host new session regarding Android. Also, we will mail you whoever registered till now and tell your friend to understand about the compose and register as soon as possible. All right, Pragya, are you there now?
Yes, sir,
Sir,
I'm
we have
here.
to okay, sir, we have to write and use the code in Android Studio, right? Yes. You don't have to use the code, but you have to write the code in Android Studio app. You will see the output. You will build Android apps like YouTube. You can not build YouTube, but yeah, like similar thing you can build using those things. So Pragya is here with us, so she will share her experience while learning Android Studio, what she faced is the issues, and how she motivated herself to learn more about Android. So yeah, Pragya.
So thank you, Aman sir. So basically, when I started my journey of this, Aman sir was there to help me out. I used this Google Developer course which was given to us. Every unit which was given here was so compact and so nicely. The articles which were written over here were so good that, like, I am also a beginner in this field. I won't deny. But when I read these articles and when I came to know that this platform, we have code labs over there, we can use those code labs and we can write the code, we can build our apps, we can simultaneously see that what we are learning, how we are learning. And whenever I was stuck, I had my team. There was a basic issue of that Android Studio. I couldn't also install in my app, and my laptop got hanged. But eventually, I realized what all my mistakes were, and I started learning Kotlin with my team as well. With this, I will show you my developer profile. I have completed 50% of my Kotlin programming, and I'm learning also. I'm sharing my screen. I will show you how you can use this field of Google Developer, which is shared, which is given to us, and how you can take code labs, you can give quizzes, and each and with every batch, you can with every program you are going to learn over. See, 50% I have completed. See here with this, you can take a code lab, you can go over there. I like all these chapters from beginning to the end. You can also, as soon as you complete this course, you get this badge, and this is there on your developer profile. So with this, if you have done this, I will show you how the content goes. See, welcome to Android Studio. Like, this was the basic course. This was optional one, so I didn't do it. I got first with the my program Kotlin, and see here, before you learn, we have all the contents where you get started. Open the Kotlin playground. And I was also a beginner, and when I read these articles, they were so nice, and with every programming, and like, see, Kotlin sidelines, fix errors in your code, any, and if you have any issues, we are there. Our team is there. Aman sir will also be there with you to figure out your issues if you have any. And 11th, we have conclusion. As soon as you complete this, you are done with this, and you go on to the second topic, like this. And here you can get program basics Kotlin, with create and use variables in Kotlin. Whatever we are going to teach you here, you can implement this on your developer profile and get your badge as soon as you. There are many courses given to you for this. I'll show you. So this was the basic Kotlin course we have shared. I have completed 62%. With this, we have practice problems as well. Solution code with we have practice problem. We have solution over it, and we will also be developing your first Android app over here after you have learned this course. And then what Compose Camp is doing, like, we are learning how to do it with a Compose Camp. We will also use Compose, Jetpack Compose, and you can take the quiz, and you can have your badge over it. So this was all my experience. I'm also learning, and with you, I'm going to learn as well. Aman sir is there with us. Starting on, I've also built my first app because of the internet connectivity. I couldn't show you. This was my profile of, for now. Yes, sir. My computer is lagging. Handing on over to you, Aman sir.
All right, Pragya, thanks for experience. Sorry, Krishna, you didn't get me. I told already Pragya to learn about it 1 week ago. Okay, so that she can help you out because you are a beginner and most of you are freshers. We don't know what exactly it is. So I told Pragya and some other members before the session, at least 1 week ago, I guess I have told them to
Yes,
learn
sir.
about it
I
exactly.
would like to add upon that 1 week ago, I and Aman sir had a meeting over this, and I was also a very basic learner over it. But as soon I got about this course is really nice. And when I learned it, now I can say that I know about Kotlin. I know how to code on Kotlin, and we team are there with you to help you out. We will also have offline doubt sessions at UCER. You can contact us and can have your issues, like, you can reach upon us. I will be there, my team members will be there with you to help you out.
Yes, you can discuss with me. We can look. You can discuss in the Discord channel. Our team will book some time with you. You can catch up with them in the library of UCR or somewhere where you can find you useful. All right, yes, now hope. Anyone from second year, Vedant, I guess you can find your peers. Krishna, hope your doubt is clear, right? Okay, that's great. So that's great, Pragya as well, and it's really great. To understand Android development, if you start learning, then you will get a great concept ahead. And always learning a new technology will be really great, and especially for Google. So Google technologies will be always great. Either it's ML, either it's AI, either it's Android, either it's cloud. Everything that Google provides in technology field is really great. And we through the GDSC from UCR especially will try to help you out in every field that we will try our best. And but we need your support as well, and you should try your best as well, so that only like both combination come up, then only we can go ahead. From one side we can't go ahead. You also have to work harder than us. Okay, any more doubt you can guys, I guess you can ask in the Discord, and WhatsApp admins also you can ask, and you can reach out to my LinkedIn as well, or other member LinkedIn. I'm sharing my LinkedIn to my here as well. So this is especially for the freshers who don't know about the Android, how Android is working and how Android is being made, how you can build your own Android. So the main reason behind this program is to understand the basics and main concept of Android. Okay, so you can connect me on LinkedIn and you can ask me any question out there as well, and you can reach out to other members as well, and you can just reach out to our link tree as well. That's more important. Again, for any doubts, you can reach our Discord. You can find the link. Sorry, I guess some mistake is here. Let me type it again. So here we have this user link. Most of you already gone through, but if you have not gone through, just find it out. Okay, this is a link tree. Our link. You can find most of the links here. Either WhatsApp group, either Discord link. Every most of things you will get it here. So I guess Pragya, you can conclude the session now. Dhanu, Sonakshi, if you want to contribute anything to motivate the freshers to learn Android. Okay, I guess they're okay with it. Pragya, then I guess you can go ahead.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So thank you everyone for joining us today. Here we conclude our session for the Compose Camp 2022. The recording for today's session will be uploaded on our GDSE YouTube channel. We will also have an offline doubt solving session on Compose Camp, and you can feel free to contact any of our team members if you have any issues regarding Compose Camp. We'll be back very soon with another session of Compose Camp with more of learning on Android app with building your first Android app. Till then, keep learning. We have shared the resources link on your WhatsApp channel. We will also be sharing it on the Discord channel. Feel free to connect us. I've already shared the link of the GDSC link tree. So that's all for today's session. Thank you everyone. We'll see you in another video.